Hello children, how are you all doing? Doing good? You should be doing good. You should be rocking, full of life and very, very obedient, sincere, loving. All these qualities you must have in you. Honesty, truthfulness, and then only you will be able to become a good human being. So up till now you have studied so many lessons, and I am back here with a new lesson, and you're going to see many things in this lesson. This lesson is about directions. We all know so many things. When somebody asks you to go here, to go there, they will tell you, you turn left, you turn right, you go straight, what is in front of you, what is behind you, all such things. Words are used, such type of words are used. But they are not directions. They are only telling you in which position you should be, where you should reach, how you are standing, where you are standing, where the thing is in front of you or behind you, on the right of you, on the left of you. Such type of things are told. But when we talk about directions, you must remember, children, the directions that we have are main directions, 4 of them: north, south, east, west. They are known as cardinal directions. And seeing the sun, when we see the sun rising in the morning, that is the east direction. And opposite to east is west. Opposite to north is south. So all these directions you will know when you know the main direction, that is north. In the compass, you will find on the compass N is written there, that on the hand of the compass N is written, and that is the north direction. When you see the sun, that is east direction, it rises, you will get to know all other directions. About directions and many more things you are going to see in this lesson. And whatever you see, I hope you remember all those things. On the Google Meet also I am teaching you, but all are not coming. So please you join the class so that you are able to learn up the things properly. So let's go to the screen and you will see many things there, and you will enjoy your work. You will complete your work and send it to me whenever I give you the exercises. So let's go to the screen. Come on. We'll go and see many things. Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Welcome to Lesson 11, Directions. Key points in the lesson. Number 1, a compass. Number 2, cardinal directions. Number 3, directions. Number 4, importance of directions. Look at the picture. Aarti is standing near the microphone. Navita is standing on Aarti's right. Renu is standing on her left, and Rahul is standing behind her. So, children, what is in front of, behind, you can see over here, and this is left, this is right, this is behind. So in the picture you can see where Aarti is standing and all others where they are standing towards Aarti's which side, left or right. We commonly use the words like left, right, right, left. This way we use these words. In front of and behind for directions. So we use all these in order to know the directions or to tell the directions. But these words do not give us the exact direction. Here they are used to give the position of other students from Aarti. In front of, behind, you see how they are used over here. But how can we find the exact direction? With a compass, of course. The invention of compass has made it easy for everyone to know directions. After the invention of compass, everyone is able to know the directions, north, south, east, west. These are the directions. The invention of compass has made it easy for everyone to know the directions. You can see this now. A compass is an instrument that shows directions, north, south, east, west. Look at a compass. You will note that there are 4 basic points. These 4 basic points are at the top and bottom and on the right and left sides of a compass. They are called cardinal directions or 4 main points of the compass. You can see the cardinal directions: north, south, east, west. These 4 directions, cardinal directions, are north, east, south and west. Do you know, it is believed that the Chinese invented the magnetic compass, which was used by the fortune tellers. The Chinese invented, and the fortune tellers are those people who tell us about our future, what's going to happen in the future in our lives. They are known as fortune tellers. And in the early times, it was used by them, the compass. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west in the evening. Rises in the east, sets in the west. This reference makes it easy to locate the other directions. If we know east, west, we know where north and south will be. The hand arrow of the compass always points to the end, north, and from that point you can locate the other directions. This is the hand of the compass, and it always points to this end, north, and from here you can locate other directions: north, south, east, west. Aarti is facing the sun, hence she is facing east. The sun always sets in the west. West direction is opposite to east. Rahul is standing behind Aarti. He is to the west of Aarti. So, you see, north, south, east, west is given over here. And where Aarti is standing, she is facing the east. And sun always rises in the east. Rahul, where he is standing? Behind Aarti. So, what is behind Aarti? Which direction? West. And west direction is opposite to east. Renu is standing to the left of Aarti. Renu, she is standing to the left of Aarti. And this direction is also being mentioned here. She is standing in the north. And Navita is standing to the south of Aarti. North, south. North, south. Why do we need to understand directions? Directions tell us how to reach a place without getting lost on the way. If we know the directions, we will never get lost on the way. It also tells the exact location of different places. Where each place is located, the directions tell us in which direction the school is, the library is, the shopping complex is, the restaurant is. All these things we come to know through the directions. It also tells us the exact location of different places, buildings, objects, and even your classroom in the school building. In which direction your classroom is, you will come to know if you are able to see where east is the rising sun, and definitely you will come to know other directions also. It is important for all of us to have the knowledge of directions. If you do not know the direction of your school, you can go in the wrong direction. So if you don't know in which direction your school is located, you may go to some other direction, in the wrong one. Your father or mother will get lost on the way to their place of work. Where they are working, your father or mother, they might get lost if they don't know the directions. So directions are very important. We must know the directions and learn about them, how they are placed. The pilot may not know where to land an aeroplane. Ships will be lost in the ocean. You may not know where the ice cream vendor is standing. There will be confusion everywhere if you don't know directions. In olden times, the sailors at the sea followed the movement of the sun during the day. During the day, they followed the movement of the sun and they came to know which direction they are moving towards or which direction they are going to. And the stars at night. At night time, they saw the stars and they found the directions in the oceans. The North Star stayed at a fixed position all night. This is the North Star. It stays all night in a fixed position, allowing sailors to follow it. This is the North Star and it stays in one place whole night. So that's why the sailors look at this North Star at night and move ahead. So this was the end of the lesson, children. I hope you have understood it well, and I'm sure you are going to do all your work very nicely and send it to me regularly. Be good always. Be good to others, to your parents, and always obey them. So bye for now. I will meet you in the next lesson. Till then, do your work sincerely. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for listening and for doing all your work always.